In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up GST settings in your account. We'll walk through this process step by step, so you can ensure your business is correctly configured for GST compliance, which is crucial if you're trading in goods and services where GST is applicable. Before we dive into the steps, you might want to have your business's legal and trade names, your GSTN, and your GST registration date handy to make this process as smooth as possible. Let's start by heading to your account's main dashboard. In the top right corner, you'll notice a gear icon which represents the settings. Clicking on this will take you to the different options you have available for configuring your account. Once here, look for the column labeled Taxes and Compliance. Under this column, find and select the option that says Taxes. After selecting Taxes, you will see a new pane that pops out. In this pane, find the section named GST Settings. This is where you'll configure how your account handles GST, which is vital for ensuring accurate tax calculations and compliance with local tax regulations. Now, you'll see a simple toggle switch labeled, Is your business registered for GST? Slide that toggle to Yes. This action will unlock several fields where you can input further information about your business's GST registration. You'll need to enter your business's legal name, as well as your trade name. The legal name refers to the name under which your business is officially registered, while the trade name is typically how your business is known to the public, and can sometimes differ from the legal name. Having these accurate helps maintain consistency and compliance. Next, you'll be prompted to input your 15-digit GSTIN, which stands for Goods and Services Tax Identification Number. This number is crucial as it uniquely identifies your business in the GST system and ensures that all your tax-related activities are correctly accounted for. Now enter the date when your GST registration became effective. This date is important because it marks when your obligations to comply with GST began and helps in maintaining precise tax records for auditing and reconciliation purposes. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, go ahead and click the Save button to apply your settings. It's a good habit to double-check all your entries for accuracy before saving, to avoid any potential issues later on. If your business qualifies or is involved with additional aspects like the composition scheme, reverse charge in sales, or trading in SEZ or overseas, you have the option to mark these as well. The composition scheme can simplify your tax responsibilities if your turnover is below a specified threshold. Enabling options relevant to your business ensures compliance and often simplifies the tax calculation process. And there you have it. These steps will ensure that your business is properly set up for GST compliance, streamlining your accounting processes and preventing any legal hiccups down the line. Thank you for following along, and feel free to reach out if you need further clarification on any of these steps.